If ever an animal was born to run, it's the cheetah. In fact, cheetahs catch their prey in only half of the hunting attempts they make. Want to know more about the fastest land mammal? Let's get started. The cheetah is the fastest land animal in the world, reaching speeds of up to 113 kilometers per hour. They can accelerate from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 3 seconds. Cheetahs are the only big cat that can turn in midair while sprinting. After a chase, a cheetah needs half an hour to catch its breath before it can eat. These cats are nimble at high speeds, able to make quick and sudden turns in pursuit of prey. Cheetahs' bodies are uniquely adapted to help them reach top speeds, from their long, slender limbs and hard foot pads to the flexible spine that gives them their long stride. A cheetah chase usually lasts less than a minute and covers just 200 to 300 meters. At full speed, the cheetah takes 3 strides a second, covering 7 meters per stride. It's not surprising they tire quickly and conserve energy for much of the time. One study found that cheetahs spent only 12% of their day moving around. A cheetah's claws don't retract when they run. Instead, they act like cleats to help the cheetah reach its top speeds. Built for speed, cheetahs are slender, with long thin legs and a long tail. The cheetah's excellent eyesight helps it find prey during the day. The cheetah is hard to see because its spotted coat blends with the tall, dry grass of the plains. They have coarse, short fur that is yellowish tan in color and covered in solid black spots. Black tear-shaped streaks on the face help to reflect the sun when hunting. Adults weigh around 21 to 72 kilograms. Cheetahs have between 2,000 and 3,000 spots, which help them to camouflage themselves. Cheetahs' long muscular tails have a flat shape that is used for balance and steering. The tail essentially acts like a rudder on a boat. Previously, cheetahs were widespread across African and Asian continents, but now they are confined mostly to dry open grasslands of sub-Saharan Africa, with the majority inhabiting natural reserves or parks. Cheetahs are carnivores, so rely on meat for survival. Their diet is made up primarily of smaller antelopes including springbok, steenbok, Thompson's gazelle, impalas, and duiker. Cheetahs will also feed on wildebeest calves and, occasionally, smaller animals including rabbits, hares and birds. Cheetahs have evolved to live in an environment where water is scarce, and can survive on one drink every 3 to 4 days. Because of their size, strength, and predatory skills, some scientists consider cheetahs to be one of the big cats. Tigers, lions, leopards, and jaguars are also part of this grouping. Unlike the rest of the group, cheetahs can't roar, though they purr. Female cheetahs are solitary, living alone or with their young. Males, however, live in small family groups of 2 to 3 brothers, known as coalitions. Cheetahs start reproducing at a young age, males at the age of 1 and females at 2. There is no specific breeding season and cheetahs will mate with many individuals throughout their lifetimes. Male cheetahs do not remain with the females after mating, and do not play any role in rearing young. Female cheetahs, on the other hand, are caring, affectionate, and dedicated mothers. Following a pregnancy of 3 months, female cheetahs will give birth to a litter of 2 to 8 cubs in a secluded spot such as a rocky outcrop or marshy area with tall grass. Cubs are vulnerable to predators, and many do not survive the first year. Initially, mothers leave the cubs hidden whilst hunting, but cubs will start accompanying her at around 6 weeks. Female cheetahs spend a long time caring for their cubs and teaching them essential survival skills like hunting. Cubs typically stay with their mothers for 1.5 to 2 years. With around 10,000 to 12,000 individuals left in the wild, cheetahs are Africa's most endangered big cat. Historically, cheetahs have been hunted for their fur, but today some of the biggest threats to their survival are loss of habitat and competition for resources. Cheetahs require large areas of land for survival, so increased human settlements and road construction in their habitat puts them at risk. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't already.